What's good, guys? I'm Israel Rocha. This is Rochabrand, where we talk about total body care, skincare, hair, grooming, and anything else related to the perfection that is the human body. So I got a really quick video for you guys today. I'm actually going to do a little review, and it's going to be the review on the Timeless Vitamin C Serum. So this is going to be the Timeless 20% Vitamin C with Ferulic Acid and Vitamin E. Arguably, Timeless Vitamin C Serum happens to be like Reddit's most favorite vitamin C serum. I mean, just look at this. This is one of the very few products I've actually bought 100% because of the subreddit skincare addiction. I just never seen so many posts and comments talking about one specific vitamin C serum. So I thought, why not? I'll give it a shot. And honestly, guys, I really love this vitamin C serum. This is not a sponsor ad. This truly is my own opinion. This Timeless Vitamin C Serum really is in my top 2 favorite vitamin C serums, mostly because of how effective it is and just the price. So before we get into the actual review of the specific Timeless product, let's talk about what vitamin C is. So as some of you might already know, vitamin C is just an amazing antioxidant. One of the main purposes is it's really effective with skin brightening. So it's really going to help with any of your post-hyperpigmentation or any of the dark spots you have on your skin. Another amazing benefit of it is it helps fight free radicals, or more simply put, helps with sun damage. Another useful benefit is it's known for really keeping the elasticity in your face, keeping everything nice, tight, and plump. You know, great for making you look all the more youthful. As far as when to use it, I personally prefer to use vitamin C in the morning, specifically since it's known to help with the efficacy of your SPF, fighting free radicals, really helping with all that sun damage protection. Might as well use it during the day. Now on to the actual review of the Timeless Vitamin C. So this one's great because it's going to have 20% of that L-ascorbic acid, which is going to be the vitamin C. It's also going to come with ferulic acid. And really quick, ferulic acid really helps with sun damage, and it also improves the longevity of the vitamin C working onto your skin. The third product it says is vitamin E, and as some of you might know, vitamin E can be really soothing for your skin, but I think specifically the reason they put it with a lot of vitamin C serums is because it just really improves the formulation of many vitamin C serums. So in this Timeless Vitamin C Serum also has hyaluronic acid. As you know, hyaluronic acid is really great for giving you that temporary plumpness and hydration to your skin, which is another reason why I like to use this product in the mornings, just so I can have that additional plump look throughout the day. So really quick, let me just show you how it comes out of the bottle. It has that really awesome pump action. So yeah, so I usually just do like 1 to 2 drops. If you can see, it actually comes out clear. I know some vitamin C serums can come out with that orange tint. As far as the texture of this product, as you guys saw, it comes out really liquidy. It just sinks really smoothly and evenly into the skin. It doesn't have that gritty or like metallic-y feeling like the one from The Ordinary does. I don't know if you guys have tried that one, but that one just feels a little too like harsh onto the skin. This one feels really nice. It just has that smooth liquid texture to it, and you know your skin is just drinking it up. So it comes out clear, which is awesome because it means it hasn't been too heavily oxidized. And specifically with this product, on the website and on the packaging themselves, they do recommend to keep it in a cool, dry place. And if you want to go the extra mile like I do, I personally put this into my fridge just to slow down that oxidation process, just to keep the vitamin C working even longer for me. And this is just one of those serums where you just want to keep as fresh as possible. So yeah, guys, I personally love this product. I've been using it for months. I personally see the biggest difference when it comes to the fading of my dark spots. And it's just so rare to see a product just be so effective, especially at this price point, which is around $20. And we've all been to Sephora, we've all been to Ulta Beauty, and have seen those ridiculous prices for some of these vitamin C serums. Honestly, there's just no reason for any vitamin C serum to be that expensive. Like I said, this is not a sponsored ad, a sponsored video or anything, but I do have a discount code for you guys. It's not from me, I just got it straight from the website. If you use the discount code WELCOME20, you do get 20% off of this vitamin C, and that knocks it down to $20. I think it's $25 originally. I have no idea how long this discount code is gonna work, or by the time you're watching this. It worked for me today, so hopefully it'll work for you guys. Since it is kind of my job now, since it is kind of my hobby now to try out new products, I probably will be trying different vitamin C serums in the future, but I know with this price point and the effectiveness of this, I'll probably always be coming back to this one and maybe like another vitamin C serum that I like. I know you're not supposed to trust everything on the internet, and not everyone on Reddit are experts, but this is one of the few times that Reddit, I think, got it right. 100% correct. If you guys haven't used a vitamin C serum, have been thinking about one, I think this is a great one to start off with. Low investment, amazing results. If you guys have used this product before, let me know what you truly think. If you think it's terrible, please let me know. If you think it really is as amazing as Reddit claims it to be, let me know in the comments. Like I said, it's going to be a quick video. If you guys liked my content and want more reviews, please hit that subscribe button. Help me break the social proof barrier. I'm on that goal. I'm on that mission to hit 1,000 subscribers. Hit that like button. I'll see y'all next time. I love you all. It's Rocha.